Go harder, go deeper. There we go.
Learning life-saving skills. Students at both Hilton and Island High and middle schools are getting a hands-on look at what it takes to save a life thanks to a visit from Hilton at Island Fire Rescue. At Hilton at Island Middle, students are learning the basics of CPR when it's needed and how to properly perform chest compressions.
Statistics from the American Heart Association shows that the first time someone does CPR is on a loved one. So it is important for people of all ages to learn CPR. So we're here at the school to be able to do it with the students. You got to go hard now. You want to go on the sternum, put the palm of your hand on the sternum, and you're going to push hard and fast till EMS arrives and be able to help you.
Students are taking turns practicing, working on keeping the sensors on the CPR mannequins in the green, which shows they're using the correct hand placement in the right rhythm needed to keep blood flowing during an emergency.
What was hard about it was pushing down hard enough, and another thing was keeping the button light green, because for me it was really hard because I kept pushing soft and too fast.
It was really hard to keep the perfect beat per minute and keep both the dots green.
At Hilton at Island High, students are learning about a more advanced life-saving procedure.
First pass intubation. We were going over our intubation attempts, trying to show that it's a coordinated effort. It's one of those things that we try to practice on so we can perform well in those situations that it gets a little hectic. We have lung rise, chest rise. Tips are practice with it all the time. Get your hands on the equipment, but just fine details of not wrenching back and trying to crack your teeth, but lifting up that tongue, getting it out of the airway. It's a set of skills that you have to practice and keep them fresh.
Students are having the opportunity to grab the tools and step into the role of first responders, getting hands-on experience performing the technique.
When you had to put it into their mouth, it was difficult because you were trying to not be aggressive or anything, or try not to hurt them and put it in the right spot because it's curvy and stuff. So it's hard because you're trying to help them but also not hurt them while helping them.
I think it was hard because it's such a small space to get it in. You can't work it through it, but it was easy because they were explaining it well and they were helping me.
The students at both schools are excited to be learning these life-saving skills that could one day make a difference during an emergency.
We never know when we're going to be put in a situation when we're going to need to use CPR.
I think it's important because if any of us are ever in real life situations, before they get there, we can help and try and help the people so they have a better chance of getting better and surviving.
If you're interested in learning CPR, Hilton at Island Fire Rescue offers several classes each month and encourages community members to sign up and learn these life-saving skills. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lowe's.